Hello, we're back. We got them both on now. The back one, I don't think I could have filmed that, and if I did, I don't think I could have put it in the video. I'm burning up. I'm an old fart. And we get a little more irritable quicker, I believe. Sometimes, anyway. But yeah. Throw it in the comments what you think. Just like the Jans and those tires, but a little newer, a little cleaner. Maybe a little fingered up more on this back tire trying to get it on. Once I figured it out, you got to try to, when you pull the tire off this